Hey, what's up? So tonight I was going to edit this video of Maverick's first hog, and you'll see I did edit out probably like 30-45 minutes of just true boring stuff, but most of my videos I edit a lot just to make them, 10-15 minute videos and have all the important fun stuff in it. This one I took very little out because these, like I've said many times, these are my home movies, and this was one of the funnest hunts I've ever been on in my life. So when I go back 20 years, watching hunts of the kids when they were little, this is one I want to remember like every second of, because it was exciting honestly from the moment we got there until we left, because I ended the video in kind of a weird spot, as you'll see, because I was planning on fixing that and editing. But even after I shut the camera off, we had a hog run in and stop like 7 or 8 yards from us, and I was looking at it with a headlamp while we were like tearing the blind down and getting back in the boat. But nonetheless, so this is a really long video, and spoiler alert, he only kills the one hog. And if you only want to watch the kills, skip ahead to about 5 minutes, and that's when we first see him to the shot. But if you want to pretend like you're sitting in the blind with us and go on an awesome hunt, then just sit back and watch it. It's a lot of fun. What's up, guys? So we went fishing over the weekend. I took my GoPro. We're getting ready to go hunting today, and I realized I have no idea where my GoPro is, so hopefully that's not a big deal. We'll just find it later. But it was time to go. Maverick just got out of school. And if you watched the last video, that while you're watching this right now in this moment, right now, it still hasn't uploaded, and it's been a week. I don't know what's going on. We've canceled and refreshed and tried different devices and everything, but we can't get it to upload. But anyway, in that video, I said if you continue to watch my channel, hopefully you'll get to see me put my boy on some hogs. Well, I have no magic ball to know if today is the day we're gonna kill one, but we are actively hooked to the boat and headed north to the Mobile-Tensaw Delta to try and get on some. He just got out of school. I've got everything rocking ready to go except for the GoPro. But other than that, we should be good. We should have everything. Now we just need some hogs to come in front of our blind, right?
Yeah, we're using his phone.
Yeah, I'm on my phone right now. Nonetheless, I've got my big camera, so I probably won't do like a lot of B-roll getting there or whatever, on account of I have no GoPro with me, and my big camera's big. So next time you see us, most likely we will be in the blind, unless something happens worth videoing before then, and I will, get the camera out. Nonetheless, we'll be there in a few.
It's like 4:15, somewhere in there. We ain't even got set up yet, and I've already about sliced my finger off with a broadhead. Because it's deer season also, but he can't pull back a regular bow. We don't own a crossbow. That was my dad's. He was shooting in Tennessee. So I've got a bow in case deer come in. He's got the 22 in case hogs come in. Feeling pretty good about seeing something this afternoon. We're in a great spot here. We're just gonna sit back and keep our eyes peeled and our ears open. Got the thermocell running, and the mosquitoes are still on the attack. That's part of being in the swampland.
Do you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
To the
grass moving? I don't see it. Okay, you're about to see him, I think. Yeah, put it on fire.
I see it. I see grass moving.
That's a hog, it's a little one.
I'm still gonna kill it.
Yeah, you're gonna kill it no matter what it is if we see it, it's a hog.
I'm gonna kill the crap out of this thing. I hope.
It's... Be looking through your scope to see if you can spot it. It's definitely a hog, so
I see the grass moving.
it's gonna step out.
I see it. I see it black. That's a hog.
I know it's a
I
hog.
see it right now. I see it in the scope.
When you see its head, shoot it.
Just shoot its head, no matter where it is.
No, it matters where it is, between the eyes or up for the
I
head.
see it's black,
Okay, just chill out. It's probably gonna step out in the open.
but there's a stick right in front of it.
Yeah, you can't. Maverick, look to your left, look to your left.
Is it right there?
There's one right beside my camera.
Alright, there's your camera. I see it. I see it. About to shoot it.
Get right on its head. Take your time.
Where is it?
They're in the
I
doorway.
see it. I see it.
On 1 second.
I see it right now.
Okay.
It's through those vines.
Yeah, just wait till you can see its head. Good.
I see one right there.
Okay, no.
I see its head. I see its freaking head.
Wait till it stops. Just keep staring. They eat constantly.
I see two.
Maverick, look right in front of us.
I see it.
Right in its head. Right between its eyes. Got it, got it, got it. Let me see this, let me see this. Got it, just stay still.
It's getting up.
No, it ain't. It's flopping around, don't worry.
It's amazing. I didn't get to see its eyes, but I did see right here. Right about there.
Hey, buddy,
So I just shot it.
what'd you think of that?
I love it.
Smoked his first hog just now.
On the first.
It's a good little bitty one, which is fine by me.
On the first video, my first deer, he said I wanted to get on a hog and I just shot one.
Yeah, buddy. Whew. He got to saying,
These things.
it's getting about time for him to come in. And my boat's just like 10 yards behind us.
We might still see hogs.
And he got to saying he was thirsty. So I went back to the boat to get him a water. And while I was back at the boat, I heard him. And I was like, oh no. I crawled back up into the blind here and got in about, well, the second the camera come on is when they came in. I mean, it was awesome. That just happened so fast. Shot a good little piglet, which is what I told him to shoot. We weren't looking for big hogs. We're wanting to eat them. And we just wanted a small one for pulled pork. And that one will be perfect. A 22 can put them down every time if you hit them in the right spot. Don't be fooled into thinking you got to use this big, huge gun. 22 done its job, didn't it?
Yeah, we still need, because I hear one right to the left of us.
Oh, we hear more.
If it comes out, you need to kill it.
Oh, I'll kill one if it comes out. Yeah, I do hear them right over there. You'll see a dead one laying right there.
I shot it.
Smoked him. But the big group run off, but they're coming back in.
Yeah, so we're gonna hopefully shoot 2 or 3.
We're just waiting. We'll sit here and kill a whole block of them if they want to hang around.
That was a real, that was like a, this is like a real hunt and kill of all, because if we hunted them on the boat, like, we would have killed it, but we're supposed to, it's funner to actually
Yeah, wait on them to come in.
Yeah. We made the right decision.
Yeah, we did. Yeah. Right there's my boat.
I gotta take a sip.
Okay. We know those hogs are still really close, so we're gonna whisper. No. More five steps. Stop and listen. Okay. Heck yeah, buddy.
That was a perfect shot.
Where'd you hit him at? Oh yeah. He's rooting toward us. You hit him right in the dome.
I thought I shot him in the neck for a second, but nope. I shot him right here. Why they feel so weird?
I don't know.
They're here, feel it.
It's coarse.
It feels so sticky.
Maybe we got it on camera.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, see right there was our ground blind.
That's a very tiny one.
Right there's the boat.
I just touched it.
Show it to the camera.
I just touched it. I just holded it first. Yes. You see something?
Nope. Alright, well, I'm gonna shut the video off right here unless we see something else, then I'll edit this part completely out. But he got out of school. We come up here. What do you think about it? You addicted to hog hunting now?
I love it.
We'll kill the crap out of them up here,
I
buddy.
love deer hunting. Hopefully I kill a turkey this year.
Down here in the lower Alabama, Tensaw Delta, we got more
deer.
hogs than we got squirrels. So it's not going to be a hard time to get addicted to hog hunting.
Deer hunting, turkey hunting, and hog hunting. And when I kill turkey, I love it too. But also squirrel hunting. It's kind of lower than the other ones. But
Well, it's funny because you've killed 4 deer and 1 hog and a fox, and you've never killed a squirrel. Despite we've been squirrel hunting.
we've been squirreling for like 5 or 6 times.
Alright, well, nice little short and sweet video for a nice little short and sweet hunt. Thank you guys for watching, and like I said, subscribe if you you want to see a whole lot more of this. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll kill one a little bigger. But
yeah, maybe. Last time we didn't ever go pro. Well, we did, I think. But we were in the boat and we saw like a hog, good medium sized. We also saw a lot of babies, but we didn't have enough time to get on it.
Yeah.
Stuff.
Alright, tell them thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Love this thing. Nothing in this video.
It's okay. Where was that?
Right in front of us right now. Maybe. I don't know, but
Okay, well listen, we're not in the blind, so sit still.
I'm gonna get down.
Don't lean against this vine.
But I'm gonna get down.
Right there it is, right there it is. Coming at us. Oh, big hog.
I see it.
Okay, hang on, take your time.
Ready?
Right between the eyes when you get a shot. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right between the eyes when you can. Or right behind its ear.
Okay. Right behind it's what?
You know, like I told you, right in its ear.
I can't see it right now.
It's okay, it's moving. It's still back there where it was, no worries. Just behind that tree. Right behind its ear, buddy. Better shoot it. Right there, right there.
It's on safety. Frank.
It's gonna be right here in front of these palmettos, right here. It's right behind those palmettos right now.
Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Well, I can.
You want me to kill it? You want me to kill it?
It's your decision.
It's about to run, I'm afraid. Yep.
Yep, here you go.
No, it's going.
Oh, dang it.
Hey, it don't. Oh. Why is it so simple?
Wait, it's still there.
Hey, that was fun. That was cool, wasn't it, buddy?
It might come back still. Yeah, right.
When hogs run off, hogs are gone.
Sounds like it's coming back.
Kinda does, don't it?
This way.
Yeah, that way.
I would have killed it right now, but it's on safety.
Gotta remember that. That's a lesson.
While you're standing up. Bye, stand up.
Well, I had ended the video, but that got exciting quick.
Yeah, it's like maybe 20, 30 seconds later.
And the boy got on it and pulled the trigger with the safety on. We ain't greedy. We're pretty tickled with this one, ain't we?
Yeah. Sounds like a hog to me.
Bunch of hogs.
Can I communicate? Can I communicate?
No. don't see them, and I don't know how I don't see them. I feel like they're about to run us over. No, buddy, they're in gun range right now. Just can't see them. Look, they're right behind my camera, right there. No. We are surrounded by hogs right now. All of them within like 20 yards. Nope. It's getting dark and I can't see them. There's one like right here. They're right here, I see them. Yeah, they're coming out in the open. I don't know, I just see them. I could kill them right now. Big one would be right on the top of its head, buddy. No, don't aim too close to me. Shoot that one, it's right there. It's standing still right now. Okay, go ahead. You're about to have to hand me the gun because they're going to be in my lap. Shoot it then. I can see its head plain as day right there. Yeah. Shoot this thing, Maverick. It's getting too close to me. I don't like it. Shoot. Do it. Maverick, right here in front of us. Wait. No, they're gone.
Lord bless Maverick with his first hog this afternoon on a short hunt. It was a lot of fun. We coming back in, saw some people stranded. Thought we'd give them a help. They're staying right down here, so we're gonna pull them home. And then we got about a 3-mile run back upriver to our boat ramp. Then the drive home to skin a hog. It's been an awesome day, guys. And I think I've ended this video about 3 times, but I'm actually gonna end it right here. Awesome way to do it. Awesome way to end the day. Not for these guys, but for us. Man, after it got dark and we shut the camera off, we had hogs running all over us. Some of them a little scary close, but that's okay. It was fun, wasn't it, buddy? Can't see the thumbs up, but he's giving one.
I did this.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching.